Hello everyone, good day to you all. Welcome to the Excel lesson number 51, and also this is the part 5 of our tables learning series. So this will be our final session on tables. So in this lesson I am going to discuss about two things when we using tables that is going to help us. So the first of all, it is about pivot tables with pivot tables, and then how to convert the table into a normal range. So those are the two things that I'm going to discuss in this lesson. Okay, let's first think about the pivot table and why it is important to use a table to create a pivot table. Because if you are using a normal data range without having a table, when you enter new records into your data area, that information will not be included in the pivot table reports. You have to manually adjust the data range in that situation. That is the drawback when you don't have a table to create a pivot table. But when you have a table, and when you add records to the table, as we know that record automatically will add it to the table. We saw that. So then that means the pivot table also will be updated when we refresh the pivot tables. So that is the advantage. So new records will be automatically updated in the pivot tables when we refresh. You do not need to change the data source, right my friends? So let's see very quickly an example on that. Go to the design, and there you can find the summarize with pivot table, or you can go to insert pivot table, whatever the best solution, the option that you can use. So I go for design and select summarize with pivot table. So it's asking okay, choose the data that you want to analyze. Now you can see the interesting thing here. It shows the table name, not the data range. That is the advantage, my friend, right? Hope you got the point on that. And then if you want to have the tables, pivot tables in a new worksheet, by default that has been selected. Otherwise you can select existing worksheet and select your location, maybe a new sheet or maybe the existing sheet, but I don't want to go for that. So I will go for a new worksheet and then click OK. Now there is a new worksheet opened, and we have the pivot table fields here, and also we have the design area here, right? Let's do a small analysis. So I want to do a analysis by year with sales value, sum of sales value and sum of year. But the years we don't need to have a sum, we need to have the data. So move it to rows. Right, now we have information. So like that. Now let me add a record to 2014 here. Yeah, let me copy this for fast track this, and let's say the value is 1 million, right? To see the impact, 1 million and 25 million in local currency. Now when I come over here, still 900,000, and then I go to analyze and refresh. Now you see it has been updated automatically. You do not need to change the data source, right? So my friend, that is the advantage we have when we have the tables for pivot tables, to create pivot tables. Okay, now the last part, how to convert a table into a normal range. It's very simple. Go to the table design, and under the tools you can see convert to range, convert to range. So you can see the description. Convert this table into a normal range of cells, right? All of the data is preserved. Just click on it and then you will see this message. Do you want to convert the tables into normal range? Yes. Now it will act as a normal range. So when you enter data, it will not be updated in the table. See, it hasn't updated in the table, right? So that is how you can convert a table into a normal range if you don't want to continue the table. Okay, so that's it, my friend, from this lesson, the lesson number 51 and the last lesson of the tables. So hope this is helpful to you. Apply this in your day-to-day work. Work smarter with the tables, and you saw the benefits of using tables in this learning series of tables. Learn, apply and multiply by sharing this video with your colleagues as much as possible. Thank you very much for watching this. God bless you all.